Hello, my name is Milan Ballantyne, and I'm the Executive Director of the African American Community Service Agency. I'm here today to talk to you about AACSA CARES, which we enacted in March of this year during the shelter in place to take care of the community. It initially started with me going to the grocery store, tapping into the agency's general funds because there was a need that we needed to meet. A lot of fear going on, a lot of misinformation, but AACSA saw that the community needed us to step in and in a big way.
It makes me happier than to see a kid jump when he gets his backpack.
We begin to maximize our emergency food basket program, which includes food, toiletries, feminine hygiene products, and clarifying information for the general public.
When COVID hit, my hours were cut.
My hours were cut tremendously.
I have lost dramatically more than probably 70% of my business.
So I have two sons, and we were offered an apartment during COVID, or the beginning of COVID, and because of COVID, we were no longer allowed to move in. Had no second plan. We didn't know what we were gonna do.
Here is where we find our opportunity to just give to someone by tapping into our staff, students at local universities, impacting homeless people, families, and individuals.
Being homeless, which I have been for 7 years, hasn't been easy.
The type of stuff they help out in with the community.
With all the funding and the foundation has helped us with, we're so thankful. Also, it helped me with getting food and raising my credit score.
I just want to give a huge thank you to Destination Homes and AACSA for giving me this funding. It was truly a blessing. It's going to help me pay a lot of these bills that I've been struggling with.
This was not made possible just by our own selves, but by donors and people giving to us. Destination Home, Chuck and Paige Robbins, the CEO of Cisco, and a host of other sponsors such as Lyft, providing Lyft codes for us to lift up the community to get to point A to point B. We know that the community still has needs. People are looking for jobs, and people are also looking for homes. We've also housed people in the local hotels during COVID-19.
I was staying out of a hotel with my family with a newborn child, and about 2 days when my time was almost up, they called me and put me in a hotel. Enough time for me to save enough money up and get an apartment for me and my wife and my children.
Very supportive and helpful. They call and check on us to make sure that we have some of the basic essentials that we need to survive. And anybody who is watching that has the ability to support and help these programs, I hope that you give as much as you can. It helps people like myself, my family, and other small businesses make it through tough times like this.
From my family, we encourage everyone to donate.
I would encourage you, if you can, to donate.
Please donate to the AACSA.
You can give back today by visiting www.sjaccsa.org.